Guys, this is Zach, we're back in another video, and of course you probably already know that, but we're gonna go back to Jollibee, get a chicken sandwich and see how that tastes. Go see how everything drive through. Can I have the spicy chicken sandwich meal?
Do you want fries for the side?
Yes.
Spicy chicken sandwich meal with fries for the side. And what's your drink on that?
Coke, no ice.
I have a Pepsi.
Then Pepsi, no ice.
Alrighty.
And then can I have one of the peach mango pies?
One peach mango pie.
And that'll be it.
Alrighty. What's the name for the order?
Zach.
Zach, I'll have your bill and order at the window. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Alright, what to do? We got the bag right here. Secured the bag. Okay. So we got the bag, we got the basic fries, you know what I'm saying? And right here we got the chicken sandwich. We got a little lettuce action, tomato, spicy chicken. It looks like a spicy mayo. So here's that. Because you got the lettuce and the crispy chicken. Alright. Alright, back. Had to get that quick thumbnail. So, oh wait, I forgot a very important part. There's jalapenos at the bottom of this. So, this should definitely be spicy. Let's go ahead and see how this bad boy is tasting real quick. Oh. It's a good temperature on the chicken. The chicken is definitely fresh. So I like that. I mean, it tastes like it came out the fryer recently. Alright. But at the same time, I think this is dark meat too. Pretty sure this is dark meat chicken. This doesn't taste like white meat. Huh. Hot. Alright. Definitely white meat chicken. I did order a pie. They didn't even give me the pie. Straight up, they didn't even give me the pie. But quick super starter real quick. Make sure we don't choke. Now, I do think the fries might be a little bit on the colder side, but and they are. And there is no little bit on the colder side. These motherfuckers are ice cold. Disgusting, yeah. But when you start talking about chicken sandwiches, it's kind of hard to put this in the top tier. I'm not gonna lie. Based on their fried chicken game, I expected more. I mean, is it a good chicken sandwich? Yeah. It's not on the bland side, to be honest. With how red the sauce and how red the batter on the chicken is, I expected it to be a lot more spicy and a lot more seasoned. It's not very spicy. It's not very seasoned at all. It's definitely not beating any Popeyes. It's not beating Chick-fil-A or KFC. It's not beating Cane's. I don't even know if it's better than McDonald's chicken sandwich, to be honest. It's going for another bite though, so I will say this. They managed to make a very juicy chicken sandwich by using dark meat. A very juicy chicken sandwich by making dark meat. It is by no means, no account, dry whatsoever, which is a very, very good thing. We like that over here. We love that over here. So, if I had to give this a rating out of 10, one more bite. Oh, no. It's so hot. It's so hot. It's so hot. Oh. Oh, so hot. If I have to get a rating out of 10, I'd probably say 6.7 out of 10. Great temperature, great juiciness, has some freshness from the tomato, the fresh jalapeno, and lettuce, but at the same time it's bland to a degree. Not much flavor there, but it is crispy. So, and if you're new, you haven't seen me, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Drop a comment on what else you want me to try next. And of course, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway of a $250 gift card. I haven't decided where. It might be Amazon, something like that. We're gonna do $250 gift card giveaway once I hit 1,000 subs. So make sure you sub, like the video, comment on the video with me to subscribe, what you want to see next, and of course tell people about it. So this is a pretty good sandwich, but I'll see you on the next one.